In this video, we will be using the sum function in order to calculate the sales totals for each one of the weeks as well as a grand total. In order to do this, I am going to insert a function. So I'm going to go to I3, cell I3, and I'm going to go up to the top to the functions button. Remember, the functions button looks like a backwards E or a sideways M. When I drop the arrow down, I'm going to go down to sum, which is the first item on the list. So you'll notice in I3, it starts the function for us with equals sum, and then it has parentheses. In the parentheses, we have to tell the computer what range of cells, what group of cells we want to add. So to tell the computer this, all I have to do is highlight the range of cells. So for this line, I'm going to want to highlight B3. Remember, I go from the center of the cell all the way over to H3. Okay, you'll notice you'll see an orange dashed line around the group of cells. And also in the parentheses, it'll now say B3 to H3. So then if that's correct, I'm going to hit enter and it will give me a total. I'm just going to take off the formatting so it will look just like yours. So it will not have the dollar sign. I'm going to now want to repeat this formula for all 7 weeks. I can either do each one by hand, the exact same way that I did I3, or just like the last project we did, I can use the fill handle to copy the formula. So we're going to use the fill handle because that's easier. Remember, I'm just going to grab at the blue corner of the fill handle and I'm going to drag it all the way down to week 7, which is I9. And when I let go, it will give me our totals for our profits for each one of the weeks. If I'm in a negative, that means I lost money. If I am in a positive, I made money. The next thing I want to find out, we found out the totals for each one of the weeks individually. I want to find the grand total after 7 weeks. So how much money did I make after 7 weeks? So in H10, I want to type in grand total. Please make sure you spell and capitalize correctly. Okay, and I'm going to want to go back to the cell and I want to bold as well as right align. So I'm going to go to the alignment. I'm going to go right align. Okay, so my grand total should look similar to what is on the screen. Next thing I want to do, if I go to I10, I want to enter in a formula for my spreadsheet to add up all of these totals. So when I go to I10, I'm going to go back up to the functions button, drop it down to sum. Okay, so now I want to tell the computer what I want to add. So I'm going to give them the range. So I want to go I3 all the way down to I9. And then I can hit enter. So this box right here will be my grand total for all 7 weeks. And the next video will be formatting the currency as well adding some more fill colors.